Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. And I am so excited to share with you today a Christmas glam hair and makeup tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I accomplish this hair and makeup look, then stick around with me, don't go anywhere, and keep watching. Primer, here we come. All right, I am using my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Once I apply that, moving on to the curls. Removing this nice side pineapple. I'm very lightly going to shake out the curls. I'm trying as hard as I can to cause as little frizz as possible. Once that's done, I'm picking up my spray bottle filled with water only and spritzing and spraying my hair all over in between the curls. I want my hair really nice and dampened, not soaking and sopping wet. So I'm just kind of squeezing all of the water into my hair, trying to get them nice and hydrated. Product time. This is Annabelle's Perfect Blend Hydrating Curl Cream. So I'm going to go and apply this through my hair with praying hands, or prayer hands as they say, and I'm going to go and just kind of keep running them through a couple places that are like extra frizzy. I'm actually going to rake slightly and then just kind of do like finger coils around my hair as I see fit or as I need, and just keep adding and applying the product to the hair underneath, and then sometimes I'll flip my head forward and get it in between the hair as well, so it's all through the hair. And again, a couple finger coils and then good to go. Moving on to the eyes. So I'm using my Sugarpill and Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. So excited. Got to apply that tape. I want a really nice sharp edge for this. I actually hate using the tape, but you want it to look nice and sharp. Sometimes you gotta do it. Going into the Sugarpill palette first, I'm using Text Me as my transition color, so it's going right into the crease. Then I'm going to pick up this beautiful red shade called Kiss Kiss and go right into the crease and just keep building so it's really nice and intense. Then I'm going to pick up S.W.A.K and blend that out. Concealer brush, Tarte Shape Tape. Someone must be cutting a crease today. Oh yeah, me. So right there to the lid, I'm going to add the concealer, and then as I open up my eye, wherever the concealer transfers to, that's how I'm going to cut my crease. Now this is a really fantastic way to cut your crease, especially for hooded eyes. Now once I have it all nice and cut, that line is really nice and sharp, I'm going to add the lid color. And today it is from Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. This is the color Gravity OG. Oh, it's so beautiful. So once both eyes are done, I moved on to eyeliner. So off camera, I went ahead and added my eyeliner, and now removing the tape without removing my flesh. Once that's done, I like to go ahead and just kind of like sharpen up the eyeliner right there. Off camera, I added my foundation and concealer. I also went ahead and dazzled up these eyebrows with my favorite brow products. Applied my contour. Added some blush, and of course, my highlight. I went ahead and put this on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cheekbones. Can't forget sexy time. The Cupid's bow. Oh yes. And then applied some falsies. Very sloppily, I'm going to add Sour Diesel to my lash line. Then with some Mist and Fix, I'm going to put Mean Green all the way from the inner corner to underneath my wing. For the waterline, I'm adding a nice 24/7 Glide On Pencil and Mildew, then 1 cone of mascara. For the inner corner, I'm adding Grand Daddy from Smoke Sessions. Time to set. Couple mist of my Maybelline setting spray, then fan it out. When that's done, moving on to the curls again. Diffusing time with my Revlon blow dryer, my fave diffuser from The Curly Co. We're going to get to work. So I like to start when diffusing. I go from the top, work my way all the way down to the nape of my neck, then flip my head forward and diffuse the back. Now, I always love when I'm done diffusing to do a nice scalp massage. So this right here is like my favorite hair and body oil. This is from That's That Magic, and I was also introduced to this product through Curly Locks Box. So after giving myself a nice thorough scalp massage, I go ahead and scrunch up the crunch and then separate any curls. And as curl friends, we want that volume. So I picked up a nice hair pick and I go ahead and start picking my hair. I like to lift up the curls a little bit too, just to try to keep from causing as much frizz as possible. So the sides, the top, flip the head forward, and voila, done. But wait, the lips. Oh my God, I love this color. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's metallic, it's gorgeous, and it's called Phantom. And here is the finished look. Actually, no, I don't feel festive enough. No, I don't at all. All right, there's one way to fix this, and here we go. getting more festive. Yes! So I have my nice Christmas cow, my curls, and my makeup, and I'm ready for the holiday. And that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for today's video. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, Merry Christmas tomorrow. And I'm super excited for today because besides the Christmas glam hair and makeup, today is my husband's birthday and we're gonna go and celebrate him. So my hair is ready, my makeup's ready, and my outfit's on, and I'm ready to party. All right, well, all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'll see you next Monday for the last video for 2018. Thanks again for watching, and take care. Bye. Ow. Hate this part. Ugh. I can't even grab this part. You know me and electronics get along really well.
Oh yeah, you and other people's electronics do not. Do it again.
You asked me permission over silly things, the important things. What am I gonna get? Free!